Morning, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys. This is Leena Kawani from Healings from Within. So, today we are here to give you the readings of all three cards which I have already removed over here. But before I start, let me give you two small informations. Well, this is a Navratri special where we are going to be telling you all these three cards. But in case if these three cards are resonating with you, I am going to give you one advice card free, which is like, suppose if these three cards are making any sense to you, you can always just message me in my box down, and I will reply to you on my Instagram story. I have given my Instagram details over there in my slide if you go to see. So let me quickly start with my reading. So here I go. What we have today is Two of Pentacles, then we have Ace of Pentacles, and then we have Major Arcana called the Devil. So what are these three cards saying for you? Well, the Two of Pentacles, basically it says that you are going to be having two different kind of opportunities, be it business, love, any kind of relation or anything, anything, two things which is going on in your mind, and you're not, sure whether you should, take the decision or not. So it's high time that, you should start thinking that yes, you have to select one. Once you're done with your two, any kind of a thing, you're done that what you want to do, what you have got is Ace of Pentacles. Now, Ace of Pentacles is basically a card which says it's going to be full new beginning. And what does new beginning means? Like if you've selected on this Twos of Pentacles, you're coming your Ace of Pentacles. In this, you have everything nice, prosperity, new beginning, be it any kind of a thing, which has got anything to start with, be it positive relationship, financially, promotion, career, job. So this card basically is a hint that you can always get a better opportunity. So I've explained you for Two of Pentacles, I've explained you of Ace of Pentacles. Now let me give you a little more information on this energies called Pentacle cards. Basically, if you know about tarot card reading, pentacles are earth elements, which are basically a very, very slow moving energy. That means it takes like years to give you decision. But congratulations, we have pentacles and we are on autumn season. Pentacle is always related to autumn. Autumn seasons are October, November, September, October, November. It can go extend till December also. But basically we are in the right season for this particular cards. So Pentacles, we are in the season, so this is going to be basically a very fast moving energy. So you really need to take a very fast action and start working on it. In case you have opportunities, you have two options, pick up one, go in Ace of Pentacle mode, and in that you have got opportunities, pick up anything one which will definitely come to your benefit. And then we have Ace of Pentacle. If you have all this thing, we have Devil. Devil basically means, if you see, there are this male and female, like they have got these chains around their neck, and like if you see, the chains are really loose. I'm just giving you a little description upon this card, because what happens, this card basically, when people see, they say, oh god, what is this card? But basically this card is a caution card for you. When you have all this money, prosperity, everything, if you get into any, this basically card means addiction. Like when you get into some kind of an habit, maybe it like if you have money, you may get into gambling, any kind of habit of eating tobacco, smoking, or any kind of thing, any kind which is related to addiction. This card says that you may get into that. So please, this card is a warning card for you that don't get into any kind of a thing. If you want, you cannot get addicted. So this is a card which advises you, be away from any kind of addiction. You will definitely do good. Now I have given you the reading of all these three cards. In case like you have anything which is resonating with you, because see, it may not resonate with everybody, but whomever this card is resonating, what you all need to do is you just need to message me in my message box. And in case you want an advice card, you're most welcome. Only I'm going to reply to them who are going to give me a message, who are going to tell me, yes ma'am, the readings have resonated, because then it makes no sense for me just going on putting the reading and if I don't get the feedback. Okay, so my all the details are there in my message box. You can just go through it. It's going to be a treasure hunt. Go on my Instagram. I have given you my IDs. Go over there and I will give you the 4 card advice there, because I can only give when I know that people are interested to know the advice for these 3 cards, and if at all these 3 readings have resonated with you. Okay, thank you so very much. Have a very good Sunday. Happy Navratras to everybody. Thank you so much. So Leena Thawani signing out for now. Thank you so very much. Bye bye.